journey, and finally we're about to see very soon. And I really hope everyone goes out there and lets everyone know that the movie is released and go out and watch. And let's see. So we're all gonna start the show off by singing one of Praveen's music part. It's called Chickamma Chick, Chickwa Chick, Chickamma Chick, Chickwa Chick, Chickamma Chick, Chickwa Chick. Thank you so much.
No. సో ఇంకొన్ని నిమిషాల్లో మనం ఈ స్క్రీన్ మీద వీళ్ళందరి 2 years హార్డ్ వర్క్ చూడబోతున్నాము. సో ఇంకొకసారి మంచి అబ్బాయి రౌండ్ ఆఫ్ అప్లాస్. So everybody needs